Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will be taking a closer look at basic arithmetic operations in C++. You will learn how to perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. We will be using variables and data types to store values and using the CO statement to display the results of our calculations. By following along with this tutorial, you'll see how to use C++ to perform basic arithmetic operations and understand the concepts behind them. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid foundation in basic arithmetics in C++ and be ready to apply what you've learned to your own projects. So let's dive in and start exploring basic arithmetics in C++. So first of all, as you see on line 10, we are printing out the sum of A and B. As you know, in simple math, we use the plus operator to print the sum of A and B. As you see here, we have them in parentheses. Well, we do use parentheses in certain situations. Like you see here, we are multiplying A and B, but in a bigger calculation, if we want firstly to sum things in parentheses, if we have, for example, 3 times 5, and then plus, I don't know, A plus B, then we first of all calculate this, and when we have the results, then we calculate how much is 3 times 5, and then we sum 15 plus 7 plus 2, that's 9, so we will get 22. But in this case, we're using parentheses as an example. Moving on, printing the difference of A and B. As you know, as we have printed the sum of A and B with plus, that's how we get the difference from A and B in C++ and in basic math. So to print the product of A and B, we use the star. To print the division of A by B, we use a slash. And to print the modulo of A by B, we use the percentage. So if you guys are wondering what's modulo, for example, we have A is equal 7 and B is equal 2. So 2 can fit 3 times and 7, and 2 times 3 is 6. So we're taking the remainder of how much will be left when we have 2, 3 times and 7. So that will be 7 minus 6, that's 1. So the modulo will be 1. So when we run this code, we will see exactly the remainder of 7 modulo by 2 is 1. So on with the other results, as you can see. So to sum it up, what we have learned in this tutorial is how to print the sum, how to print the difference, how to print the product, how to print the division, and how to print the modulo in C++. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial and stay tuned for more.